If you're wondering whether you can buy Dogecoin directly, the answer is yes. There are several ways to buy Dogecoin, and we'll cover them all. One of the best apps to buy Dogecoin is Robinhood. It's user-friendly and has no fees for buying or selling Dogecoin. Another great place to buy Dogecoin is Binance.us. It's a popular platform that offers multiple cryptocurrencies. Buying Dogecoin is a smart decision if you believe in its potential. The cryptocurrency has seen significant growth in recent years. To become a Dogecoin millionaire, you would need to buy over 4 million Dogecoins. But remember, investing always carries risk. Here are our top 5 tips for buying Dogecoin. 1. Research and understand the market. 2. Choose a reputable exchange or app. 3. Set a budget and stick to it. 4. Diversify your portfolio. 5. Be patient and don't panic sell. Remember, there are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Always do your own research and invest wisely. Good luck on your Dogecoin journey.